Why we didn't squeeze yet for GameStop? The first reason is the short interest back in 2021, guys. If you remember, we had 140% for the peak of the short interest in 2021. Now we just 24%. Some of you say maybe this is just the beginning. We're gonna see augmentation and increase in short interest in coming days. So this is really plausible. The second thing is we have to watch out for the reversal, guys, because we already discussed the bottom, the $20. We said if we broke the 27, see what's happened here. Around the 27, we have a bit of reversal. Then we flush again because we broke the 27. And of course, we had to test the $20. Guess what? After hours, market close, we're still holding the $20. So this is really the greatest indication that GameStop is not game over. The game is not over yet because we're still holding, or the whale is still holding over this support, or is still holding their position over this level. AMC, the same, guys. We have a nice channel here. Let me just show you guys. I think next week, guys, we're gonna have a volatility back because at the end of this week we have like the volatility die because AMC was around almost half a billion or over half a billion, almost around the 600 million. Right now, just 100 million because the volatility is slowing down. But look at this. We have this channel, guys. We might break from it by Monday. So everything looking pretty nice so far, even though we have a bit bearish momentum down. Guys, here we discuss only the exact price value. We don't say GameStop will go to 100, 200. Yes, we might go there, but here we're going to discuss the imminent or the near price action because once we go further in the future, it's really hard to predict the price action for any asset or any stocks. So here we discuss at least the game plan for tomorrow, Monday. Then we have to update our levels for GameStop and AMC. And of course, you can join us early on our Discord and Patreon because tomorrow we're gonna have a new update for you guys for live streaming for our elite hunters. The first time we're gonna go pretty early and the market open after 1 hour and a half after pre-market open. You know why? Because guys, those stocks that pumped almost 100%, 400%, 1000%. FFIE pumped almost 300, 1500% in just 1 week or few days. STS, we traded. CRKN, we discussed, we said this profit taken is the 47. And guess what? We took a profit on all of them. Before the market closed on Friday, for FFIE, of course, we took our profit here, we close it. And of course, for ASTS, and guess what? If we go there, we see the CRKN hit our profit taken, boom, got shorted. Let me just show you. We don't just hunt AMC and GameStop, guys. We trade many stocks. This one, look at this, guys. 1.70 or 1.700 billion. This is crazy. FFIE, 1.300 billion. The other one, we have over a billion here. So this is not AMC and GameStop, but pharmaceutical company that have a major news that's still pumping. That's why we trade all of them. And of course, after we took our profit, FFIE went down, ASST went down a bit, but CRKN went the most down because it went really crazy, 80% down. And of course, we suggest our hunter to take their profit before this major reversal. And we discussed the entry, of course, around the 31, as you can see here. We said the 47 before the 50 because once we hit the 50, CRKN went down. We did almost 100% on this trade. Guys, if you want to have access to those chart analysis update and of course, early live streaming tomorrow, exclusive for our elite hunters, you can join us in the link in comment section below for Patreon and Discord. In the time being, we have to discuss AMC and GameStop. What's the game plan, guys, for the next week? What we should do? Should we hold? Should we average down? Should we buy? What's the good strategy for those stocks? We're gonna discuss them right now. So hit the notification and the like button, and of course join us on other live streaming that we're gonna do on YouTube just 30 minutes before the market open. But if you want to join pretty early, as we said, almost 4 hours before the market opened to trade early with us, because all the activity, all the news drop in the pre-market. Sometimes the market is dying. We don't have activity, but in pre-market we have huge action. That's why we have to capitalize and make our chances to make profit way bigger to trade in the pre-market and even during the market open. So what's the game plan, guys? What's the game plan, at least for GameStop, for the next week on Monday? First, if you didn't watch our video that we discussed before, sorry to tell you guys, you are too late, because we already discussed the 27. We said if we broke the 27, you don't have to hold. The price will continue toward the 20. And that's what happened. Let me just show you. If you didn't watch our our video that we did the day before, you could have been down right now 26% or 27%. But we don't say you missed the opportunity to buy the dip. No, there's always a next opportunity. I'm not saying if you don't watch our video. No, yeah, if you watch our video, you'll be better at least 27%. But there's always opportunity for the next video. So if you watch our video right now, it means YouTube algorithm love you, because it's really hard right now for YouTube algorithm to push video like ours, because we don't have editing, we don't have music, we don't do this kind of thing to grab attention for kids. Here we grab attention for real traders who have discipline and focus on our video without a sugar. It's like our video is like eating or drinking coffee without sugar. You know, it's really hard. Yes, it can give you energy. Yes, it can give you boost your immune system and heart muscle, but it's really hard to swallow, because here we actually talk about the truth, and a lot of people don't like the truth. They like lie, and comfortable lie is better than truth. So here, guys, if you don't like bitter things, if you don't like eating vegetables because it's healthy for you, is not the video for you. Of course, go to the other videos who's sugar coated or kind of junk food that it tastes good right now, but after a few days from now, you're gonna be fat and have heart disease and you're gonna be in a hospital. Here, we're gonna give you the like things is really hard to swallow, but is really good for your health. Right now, what we should do. GameStop, guys, as we discussed, we've got this, the important bottom to confirm if GameStop is not dying, which is over the 1984 or the $20 and the $17. Why we have this range, guys? Because we might have a bit of push once the market open, down, then pump up. So we have to have a range of supports in order to count the volatility, because we might have a wick, then the price go up. So the 17 and the 1980, this should be it for GameStop in order to reverse at least for Monday and next week. And of course, the major resistance right now is around the 25, where the short seller at their position in order to go higher. So next time, once we have this push, and even if we held over the 1980, it would be even better, or we have a gap, we need to have a breakout from the 25, 28. Because if we did that, it means we started to reverse and break this, of course, this channel, because the channel is trended down right now and it doesn't, okay, like now is kind of looking good at this level. Yes. So right now we need to break this channel from above around the 25.80 and then go toward the 31 and 40 at least. I'm not saying we're going to go toward the 57 and the 80, but at least if we have a good reversal and a good buyer, a big whale, we make the short cover at least around the 40. So half what we did before. It's really hard to go toward the 80, guys. Now we're going to go half the level that we went there before. So don't count around the 80, but count around the 40. This will be the plausible, or at least 90% chance that GameStop will go there. I'm going to talk about the plausible scenario, because the 40 should be the most important level that we're going to test. So that's why I suggest for our hunter or traders to take profit there, because we might continue to go down. At the time being, this is it, guys. For GameStop, we need to hold this bottom in order to break this bearish channel and enter a bullish channel again. For AMC, on the other hand, guys, it look beautiful because we're still trending in this inside. We don't have a big, huge selling pressure like GameStop. We went down just 5%. Plus, we have more volatility, almost 100 million. But we need to confirm at bottom. The bottom is still a bit far for AMC, which is around the $3.65. We're still inside this channel. As you can see from this arrow, we still have a bit of struggle. Once we test this channel for above, we get shorted, above, get shorted, and we bought back near this channel. So now we need to break this channel first in order to confirm an early reversal. So let me just show you what I mean. Here we need to have, let me just do this and do that. Oh man, you see this one? We have a really tight channel right now, is about to be broken. Once we break this channel by next week, at least around the 5, guys, the $5 will be kind of the first signal. After that, of course, the $5.80, where we're gonna make the short cover, and of course go toward the 766. After that, the $10. So the 76.66 will be the first target for AMC, and I think this will be almost 70% jump for GameStop, and for GameStop for AMC and GameStop at least 90%. So now we have like a chance for a reversal for GameStop around 90%. AMC, of course, at least from here 70%, guys. 70%. Let me just write it down here. The reversal for AMC 70%. GameStop 90%. So this is the reversal gain. I'm not talking about the gain in the big picture, because if you already bought around the 80, no, it's not 90% for you, but is less, will be you just kind of breaking even if you average down right now. But at the time being, if you bought the dip, this is how we do here, guys. We buy the dip and then sell around the rip. We don't just hold. So if you bought the dip, I'm counting the 90% from the bottom here. 90% from the current bottom should be 90% until the 40. I'm not saying 80. Don't be greedy here. Take your profit there, and we'll see what's going to happen after that. We're going to do update, of course, for GameStop and AMC, guys. Every day, we're going to do update for AMC and GameStop. So share our videos, live streaming that we go do every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So join us, bring your friends, anybody who actually holding AMC or trading AMC, just let them come and trade live. We're not just doing video, we're trading live, both of them. So join us and let's have this major squeeze happen again. Let me know in the comment section below. Are we gonna have 90% for GameStop and 70% for AMC, or we have more? Just let me know what's the price target for you guys. I'm really interested to see the where the price will go from the trader's perspective, like the anticipation. So we test the water from now. Thank you for watching, and see you on Monday.